In this video, you will see how to indent second line in Word for references. As you can see, I have indented here the second line of the references, and it's very easy. First, you need to select all the references or paragraph if you have. After selecting all the references or paragraphs, right click on the selected text, and here you will see the option of paragraphs. The indent second line option is available here. After clicking on this, you will see this paragraph window. Click on indent and spacing tab. Under the indentation, here you will see the option of spatial, and here you can see the preview. So next to the spatial, you need to select the option hanging indent. So hanging indent is a second line indent. As you can see here in the preview, the second line indent has been applied and the indent is 1.27 centimeter. It may be in inches for you, so you just have to enter the number as required. Once done, just click on OK to indent second line in Word document. In case you want to remove this indentation, you need to go back to the paragraph option, and next to the spatial, instead of hanging, just select the option none and then click on OK to remove second line indent in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem of formatting references in MLA, APA or Chicago style. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you are writing thesis in Microsoft Word. See you again in the next one.